This is a short video about circular interpolation. When we're producing arcs, rads, on a Fanuc control or a Haas control, a G-code type control, when we produce rads, we have to give it the endpoint and the radius. And this video is really about how the machine gets to this information and what it's actually doing to create that information. And this part has got two rads on that top section that it's milling around now, and I'm just going to demonstrate how the machine would get its information for one of these rads. Looking down on this part, there's three things of interest here. There's the start point of the rad, the end point of the rad, and the center of the rad. And also you would need to know the radius. So imagining that you know the start point, end point, and the radius, imagine from the old days of construction where we used to use a pair of compasses to intersect these points. That's exactly what the machine's doing. It's just, except it's doing it by trigonometry, but it's doing this simple construction. So let's imagine now that we put our compasses on this first point and we strike a 100mm rad from that point somewhere in space. We don't really know where it's going to end. Hopefully this one then, when we draw one from this point, will cross that one, and that point where they cross is where we strike another 100mm rad, which logically then will strike through these 2 points.